Hello, welcome to my channel. Less than 30 days left for UPSC Prelims 2026. Anxiety is at its peak and sleep has taken a backseat. Some days I wake up without any energy to study, and today is one of those days, so I am popping open a can of energy drink and I'm sitting for the first session of my day. These days I'm giving a mock test every other day and I don't print the test, I just write the answers in a small notebook. I have already attempted this test and now I'm just going to analyze it. Most of the time I use a Pomodoro timer to maintain my focus, and that's what I'm doing here. I also try to write down all the mistakes that I've committed in the test and I try to revise them later. I took a short break, had some protein shake and also some watermelons, and then I sat to study again. टेस्ट देने में लगता है 2 घंटा, उसको एनालाइज करने में लगता है 4 घंटे. Anyways, so I'm finally done and clearly I need to improve my accuracy. This cat has been coming to my room since a year to eat and sleep. I named her Marshmallow and इसको खिला के मैंने भी लंच कर लिया. So privileged to have a mother who prepares all my favorite meals. After having lunch, I sat with modern history. इसमें कुछ चीज़ें मेरी बची हुई थी रिविजन में, so I have to finish that. And the spectrum looks new because मेरा पुराना spectrum it tore into 1,000 pieces and it's very unusable right now और बहुत over highlight भी हो गया था, तो I honestly couldn't make out क्या important है क्या नहीं, so I went ahead and bought a new one. I struggle with chronology, so I made this Excel sheet ताकि मेरे को timeline थोड़ा सा visualize करने में आसानी हो. Went for a short walk in the evening and aake I took a shower and had some snacks while watching The Big Bang Theory, which is my favorite show of all time. Seriously, I watched it like more than 15 times. After that, I sat to study again, and today I will be revising environment for the rest of the day. And I also made short notes of the international conventions and agreements ऐसे ही order में ताकि again revision में आसानी हो. And I'm just trying to actively recall जो याद नहीं आ रहा है वो PDF से देख रही हूँ, बाकी I'm just reading my notes. I made dinner today and I made Japanese curry, which is one of my favorite things to eat. और ये बहुत आसान है बनाना. If you stay alone, I think this is a very convenient meal and it's pretty healthy. For dessert, me and my sister made some kesar faluda, which was also very tasty. Dinner के बाद I have to have a cup of green tea. I don't know, I just love green tea, which is super weird, but I don't know, it's so refreshing to me. For the last session of my day, I'm continuing my revision of environment and I'm quickly going through all the Indian legislations, Wildlife Protection Act, Forest Rights Act, everything that I think might come in this year's prelims. And Forest Rights Act is extremely important, बार news में आया है, so उसको बहुत अच्छी तरीके से I revised. I completed most of my targets today. थोड़ा बचा है, so backlog में चला गया of course. पूरा दिन बैठने के बाद भी I clocked only 8 hours of effective study and honestly मुझसे इतना ही बनता है 8-9 maximum 10 hours. I cannot study for more than that. That's it for today, and if you are giving prelims this time, all the best to you. May we all make it.